This is a forgotten cemetery that Sam and I were tasked with cleaning up. The grass and weeds were super tall. We were armed with only weed eaters and hornet spray. We got started not knowing what we would uncover. This cemetery is just outside a small town in southwest Ohio called Collinsville. This is Sam. He is a weed-eating wizard and a very hard worker. We found some really old stones. This one has a death date of 1810 and tells us he lived to be 82 years old, which with some quick math makes him born in 1728. Wow, that's 47 years before the Revolutionary War began. Next to him is wife Rebecca Scott. The detail in these stones is amazing. There are pulpits with Bibles on top, complete with tassels. Some other very old stones, but in really good shape. Makes you wonder who was the stone makers on these. Overall, it was a really productive day. We got right with it. It took us about 4 hours, but we got everything weed eated, straightened up, so people can now visit their loved ones at this forgotten cemetery.